This is Dabu7. Here in the month of August 2018, we've seen a lot of weird stuff go down, but one oddity has been the sound of trumpets, so to speak, or an odd sound in the sky that has caught people's attention. Now, this has happened all across the globe. You're talking Germany, Malaysia, different areas in the United States. And some of these noises and sounds could be explained possibly by normal things. Of course, we're not for sure in any of these instances exactly what any of it could be for sure, 100%. But in some of these areas, people are like, we've lived here our whole lives. It's not a train. It's not this. It's not that. It's definitely some odd sound coming from the sky, and it cannot be explained. It's not aircraft, any other machinery that they know of, and it just raises the question. And I was curious, are you guys hearing anything like this out there? Here's a clip. Now, that is from one location. Now, here is another one from Dallas. And now apparently these noises and these sounds are repeating. It's a constant. So it's not like an aircraft picking up and going by. There's no heavy machinery anywhere around that these people can tell of, and just raises a lot of questions. So I figured I would put the word out and see if any of you guys are experiencing this. If so, let me know, dabu7yahoo.com. Hit me up on Twitter as well. And make sure to tune in to Underground World News Live Friday nights, 8 p.m. Eastern. We'll be breaking this down further. It's been Dabu7. Peace.